this here is closest car that looks like me. No, why am I here? Why not do a little? Oh, sorry, I forgot. But not. How about we do a little race? Okay, let's do this. To be honest, actually, in the pole position, I should not be the pole position. Oh my gosh, it was just overtaking. Oh my gosh, it was just crashing really this. Get out of here. Get up. I'm good. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! My car is so. Oh no! We have an actual race going on. Oh my! Oh my gosh! We have literally have an actual. There's this crash in front of me. Oh my god! New lap. Yo, if I set this to 2 laps, that'll be the most craziest finish ever. Let's see. Rush, just time moment. Video game move. Even though I am in a video game. Play it. Oh. Yes. Okay, I tried to turn, I still the wall like. No, it's like in the king of Alright, what the heck? Ross, Shastine, move. Okay, I'm going fast. I'm going fast as heck right now. How? Wait, what's that mouse? What's that mouse? Yeah, I know I'm Brazilian, but what's that miles? No. Oh my gosh, that was so close. Now that. Hey, thanks for the boost. Now I'm just gonna win this race. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I see chaos happening behind me. And that's because I can see on the mini map. What the heck? What? A lot of too late for turns, so let's just do a little wall. What? Let's go. The finish line is right there and crash into